Hiya! So today I have got something amazing to show you. I can't wait for you to see it. So, Kelly from Chronically Creative Nails and Karen Hyderies from Nail Sugar bought one of these hands. I watched their videos and I just had to order one. Here is it, just opening it out the packet, if that made sense. Just wow, look at that. You can see the veins, the detail, and then the creases in the knuckles. It's just so real. I chose the magnetic hand in autumn shade. ANAIS, I think it is called. I think that's how you say it. So I ordered the stand as well for the hand to connect to. Yeah, I'll put all the information in the description box below so you can see exactly what I picked. You can get posable, but I ordered the flexible one. And I am really happy with my purchase, I really am. Here's the stand. Just getting it out of the packet. So you've got a nice suction cup on the bottom, and that moves up and down nicely. You can tighten that as well. And then that sort of, I couldn't work out, this is the first time it's looking at it. But that pulls out as well. That's it. There you go. Pulls out nice and long so you can move it up and down. And then you've got the option then if you want it close to you or if you need it in a space at the back of your desk for when you're recording and stuff. If you don't record, then you can have it wherever you want. This is the magnetic part that the hand attaches to. So it's pretty easy. I just unscrewed the little black thing there. Very technical terms. Sorry, my dog's just lying all over me. So then I just tighten it up. And then you can move it up and down how you want to. It's really sticky. I put it on my desk and I couldn't get it off. So I did actually pause the video on this part because I could not get it off at all. So I'm just tightening it up back there. Sorry you can't see this bit. So that's nice and sturdy. And it just literally stays on and you can move it side to side, round if you want to. See, it doesn't even come off when you do that. So you just pull it down or you can push it up to get it off. So you can put it in your lamp nice and easily. I have put a link in the description box below and you can get €5 or £5 off your order if you follow that link. See, I've just put it on my desk and it's nice and sturdy there. So we've got plenty of room. I'm just adjusting it here. Honestly guys, you need one of these if you want a fake hand. It is perfect. It's not too heavy either. It's really nice. It's just so lifelike. It scares me mum. Give her the goosebumps. Okay, so nail tips. I've just got some cheap ones from AliExpress, eBay, wherever you want to buy them from. As you can see here, they're just nice and thin, not too curved. And they just slide in nicely. I will be playing around with other tips to see which ones fit, because as you can see around that cuticle, it does make it a bit distorted, but I'm not too bothered about that, as long as it looks okay. So now I'm just getting my second size. So that was number 6. I do swap these around a little bit, which you'll see a little bit later on in the video. And they're so sturdy, but they're so sturdy in there. You can file on it, but I don't think I will be, because I really don't want to ruin the cuticles or the fingers or anything. It's just too precious for that. Just give it a little wiggle. Just look at that flex. It's just like a real hand. I'm so happy with this purchase. And I just want to state that I bought this out of my own money. And I didn't even say I was going to do a YouTube video or anything like that. I just bought it out of my own money and thought I'd do a unboxing and review on it. Because I hadn't heard of Aleana's hand before until Kelly and Karen said so. Don't know what I was doing there. I think I was trying to say the numbers, but I forgot what numbers they are, which I'll show you in a second. So there I've got 9, 5, 6 and 7, but I changed the 7 to another number in a little minute. In a minute. So I'm just cutting tips down. This is just a quick nail play, as you just got to, haven't you, when you get something new. That one was a bit too wide on that finger. So I did start filing this one, but I've done the rest off camera. I just don't want to ruin it at all. But she says you can file it and everything like that, but I really don't want to. So I'm just buffing the nail here. Yeah, that's what I've changed it to for that one. Okay, so I'm using SW Nail Supplies in 003. It's a gorgeous neon blue. So I'm just going to do one coat of this. It's a very simple set, so I won't talk all the way through it. I'll just let you enjoy the video and I'll be back in a little bit. Just putting a piece of tissue paper underneath, because I'm going to be using these gorgeous Opal Flakes. The camera doesn't do them justice, honestly. Obviously, she had to have some sparkles. I need a name for her, guys. Please comment below with some suggestions. I'd love that. She definitely needs a name. Just look at that shine. I love it. The gel polish wasn't that sticky though, so I think next time I'll put some base coat down, because I did attempt to put some Princess Pixels on the middle finger, which I cut out because it didn't really stick to it. So I cut that out and just kept with the Opal Flakes. Then I was going in with some top coat from SBD London. This is my bottle for all my glitters, so I'm not too bothered about putting it back in the bottle with glitter on. Always have two separate ones, one for normal and one for glitters. If you have any questions at all, just pop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. So here they are. How pretty. And the hand, honestly guys, best purchase in a while, honestly, and it's going to help me practice. Thank you for watching. Here are some snapshots of the nails. I really hope you enjoyed this video and little tutorial on gel polish. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye now.